The Hard Floor Furniture Moving Kit is the all-in-one kit for moving furniture and protecting hard floor surfaces. The 3.5-inch and 5-inch round felt sliders may be used under large pieces of furniture, such as sofas, love seats, large tables, cabinets, and more. Tilt and place sliders under each leg or corner. Just simply push or pull your furniture across hard surfaces such as tile and hardwood floors. Felt sliders are designed with two unique sides. The foam padded side keeps a firm grip on what you're moving, and a heavy-duty felt side that protects your floors and hard surfaces from any damage. 4-inch carpet-based caster cups are perfect for protecting floors from scratches and dings due to casters. 1-inch and 1.5-inch felt pads are included in the kit as a free bonus to protect smaller pieces of furniture and houseware, such as a table and chair set. Lightly sand the object's leg or corner, wipe with alcohol, and let dry for a few minutes. Then simply peel and stick. Super Slider's heavy-duty felt and adhesive is the best on the market. Spring cleaning, redecorating, moving, getting ready for the holidays. Everything is easy with the Hard Floor Furniture Moving Kit.
Ling only wanted to plant a small tree quickly. But the hard ground makes her life difficult. Luckily, Max has the right tool to hand. The Aerospade is the perfect tool for overcoming this challenge, and it's easy to use. The spade effortlessly penetrates the soil as if by magic. And in doing so, makes gardening work a pleasure. Roots don't stop the Aerospade either. And even stones are not a problem. Max is now facing a tough job. And the Aerospade is also his first choice on the building site. Removing tiles is an easy task. A brick wall is no longer a major obstacle. And floor coverings are detached at the touch of a button. With numerous different attachments, it's up to a whole host of challenges. Be it in the home or garden, the Aerospade is the ideal multifunctional tool.
The rigid faucet and sink installer is a multi-purpose under-sink plumbing tool that allows plumbers to work faster, easier, and more efficiently on supply lines, fittings, and nuts under the sink. This lightweight tool is constructed of high-strength material with durable metal inserts to tackle many of your faucet removal and installation needs. The tool's extra-long handle easily reaches mounting nuts on faucets and sprayers. The shutoff valve attachment turns hard-to-reach angle stops without marring chrome. It also works on 7/8 and 1-inch hex nuts. The open slot allows easy access over existing supply lines. The opposite end has a strainer basket attachment that holds the drain unit in place while removing or installing the strainer nut. Got a fitting that won't budge? Flip over the strainer basket attachment to reveal a hole designed to fit your one-stop wrench. It provides extra leverage required to break tough nuts loose. Remove both inserts and the notched ends will engage 2, 4, 3, and 6 tab basin nuts.